This week we are going to continue to look at how our placement in the solar system affects so many aspects of life here on Earth. And today we're going to look at what exactly makes day and night. So because light travels in a straight line in space, light from the sun only falls on about half of Earth at once. The part of Earth turned toward the sun is lighted, and the part turned away from the sun is in shadow. If Earth were not turning on its axis, one half of the Earth would always be in daylight and the other half in darkness. When the Earth rotates, it spins on its axis, which is an imaginary line passing through the North and South poles. The Earth spins slowly all the time, but we don't feel any movement because it turns smoothly and at the same speed. However, the Earth does turn on its axis once every 24 hours. As a result, the part of the Earth that is in daylight changes. As Earth turns, each point on its surface is lighted by the sun, causing day. When Earth turns and that point passes into shadow, it's night. All right, so this says we are to illustrate a picture that's going to help us learn, or remember rather, what we read. We've got to come up with 4 good vocabulary words that can help us remember the information, and you do not have to put a definition for them, but it might be helpful if you do. Like if you can't remember what the axis is, it might be beneficial to write imaginary line from pole to pole or something like that, okay? So then, once you have your 4 vocabulary words, you are going to summarize what you read. So why does parts of the earth have daytime where other parts of the earth have nighttime? And then we have our comprehension question, which reads, what would happen if Earth did not turn on its axis? Please don't answer out loud, by the way. A, all of Earth would be in darkness all the time. B, all of Earth would be in daylight all the time. C, half of Earth would always be in daylight and the other in darkness. Or D, half of Earth would have long days and the other half would have short days. So right now, you may work with the people around you to pick 4 vocabulary words, decide what to illustrate, write your summary, and answer your questions. So work with the people at your table.